Okay, I'm here with Felipe, and at this point we are, how many days out are we? Feel like 2 weeks out now. So he just got his sutures out. Looks great. I'll put some pictures of the suture line up there. And but Felipe, how was your recovery? I guess
Great.
overall.
Well, don't get me wrong. The first night was the worst, but after that, no, like less pain.
Yeah.
Moderate pain. I got swelling around like the 4th, 5th day. But that goes by, put some ice, relax at home.
Yep.
Watching TV, just look at me now.
Yeah, it looks great. It's actually already growing. Some of the grafts you can see are kind of coming in, but I always tell people don't get too excited because a lot of those fall out. The hairs fall out of the grafts temporarily and then grow back again when all the other hair comes in about 3 or 4 months. So this is now the hardest part now is waiting, and again 3 to 4 months before his hair really starts to grow. When you see this guy 6 months from now, you're not going to recognize him. He's going to have a hairline again. He's going to have, So I'm real excited to see his progress. Thanks again, Felipe, and we'll be following up with you in a couple months, see how you're doing. Thanks.
Thank you guys.
All right. Cool, man. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our HUE and HUE Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.